Get ready with me for New Year's Eve. Nandito kami sa Vegas. Kahapon lang kami dumating dito. Pero the entire day, nandito lang kami sa loob ng resort kahapon. Siyempre, ano pa ba yung gagawin sa Vegas? Akala ko from Dallas papunta dito. 3-hour flight lang siya pero 5 hours pala siya. Early pa naman ngayon. It's almost 2 p.m. Pero aalis kasi kami at 3. Kasi yung early dinner kami tonight at 4 p.m. Kasi after that, manunood kami ng show. Hindi ko in-expect na malamig pala dito. Lumabas kami kanina saglit, pero dahil nga nilamig ako, bumalik din kami agad. Although sinabihan naman ako ng friend ko na malamig nga ngayon, pero akala ko kaya ko yung lamig. Well, well, well. I'm not gonna bring a purse, mom, because it's not allowed. Powder contour.
Don't forget your IDs.
Oh, we need to bring IDs? Highlighter.
Hey.
Yeah. Are you done?
I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, that's okay.
Still coming back here, Mama? Should we get the jackets just in case it's gonna be 40 degrees out?
I'm gonna bring a jacket. You wanna go back and change?
I don't have a preference, really.
Let me see. That'll work.
Tuck this in?
Yeah, you can tuck it in. I am your stylist.
Yes, you are.
Sana yung makeup ko hindi siya mag-separate. Lipstick. It's time to change. Then this is my top. There you go. For my pants, since ito yung color of the year ba? Yung mocha mousse. Color of the year ba? Ito na lang siguro. Dapat sana maong na pants, pero ito na lang. Maglalagay lang ako ng belt. My shoes.
No, you can't go do that over there unless that.
Yeah.
Things like, oh,
So when we come back, I'm gonna
Yeah,
change.
and sometimes when I was younger, I can do that. It doesn't matter as long as I look pretty.
I'm gonna wear the necklace you gave me, Mom.
Yeah, beautiful.
Maybe this. Mm.
You see, everything fits in this one thing.
For my bag, ito na lang. Pero mamaya, papalitan ko to ng maliit kasi sa Fairmont Street, hindi allowed yung malalaking bag. Perfume. Ito yung gift sa akin ni Chris. This is the whole look. Yeah. We're ready. Happy New Year!